And here we are back with the F150 5.0 Coyote. We're doing a Roush cold air intake setup. The induction. Looks like this goes down into here like this. Swap this out into here. This one probably swapped right here. Yeah. And then this bottom part here. Boom, boom. Yeah. Then we got its own little setup over here. I got it mounted together a little bit. I had to put this little rubber part on, which usually kind of clips in a little bit into place outside of here a little bit. Hopefully I got that on there correctly. I can just kind of line it up with the rubber up on top here with this rubber here. I'll probably put that in there a little better. But this is kind of the fab together right now. And obviously we got our intake over here. Pretty simple. It also came with some extra stuff here to put these things together. Like I said, we're going to wing it and see how this goes. Along the way, I'll show you guys what I did, what's what. Try to do the best I can because it's just me today. Usually when I do these videos, I don't have an extra hand with the camera. So like I said, I'm going to wing it. Hope this, does really well. This is a 2013 F150 Fx4. So yeah, I got the Roush cold air intake. I know a lot of people shoot for the SMB. I'm going to go with Roush. There it is, a stock one, aftermarket. I'm gonna put this back up to here so I can kind of show you guys what I did. Loosen this up, flathead on both sides, obviously. And this popped right off, pops off. I disconnected this as well, which is right here. And then I disconnected this as well, which is right here. I'm not gonna take this off because the Roush one has this that I was able to push in here. And this will just connect right onto this right here. And we should be golden. But yeah, let's take this off. Basically where the stock or this aftermarket one's going to go, and then we'll take this off, which this should come off now that I unclamped it. Because it has these 3 clamps, 1, 2, other side's hidden over here, 3. And this should just pop off. I felt it looks decent. It's not bad. But we do have our own over here, makeshift one that Roush sends ya. We're gonna see how it fits. I hope this video goes pretty good for you guys. At least somewhat. Like I said, it's just me trying to wing this. I don't have a stand right now either, so I'm winging it, man. Just winging it. I'm not trying to damage stuff either. Yeah, it's not bad, honestly. It looks, I mean, you can tell right here it looks pretty clean, but all around see a little bit of dirt in there. Nothing crazy, so that's not bad. Now I think I'm gonna have to take this out. I think, pretty sure. Pretty positive. We're gonna find out. All right, sorry guys, going back and looking at this, it's basically, it looks like a top mount, just like that top mount that I pulled out. So these back here, this should just clip into the back of this like that. Yeah, perfect. And then these 3 snaps will go right back over this. So that's nice, but we're not gonna do it just yet. I got this mounted on here. It looks good. See, we are gonna use a stock one here. This actually works out really nice. This is an easy install. Sweet, we're almost done. There we go. I'm setting this in here for now with this over it, just to see, because I mean, who knows, once this goes into here, am I gonna have room to put this in there? If you get the point, you'll see what I mean once we get there. Hopefully it'll be fine. I'm sure doing it this way will be, I think I'm ahead of the game. Yeah, I know, I'm a little weird, right? All right, let's see how this goes. Line this up. Actually, I think this, now that I look at it, because I think this is supposed to be bolted into this right here. As you can see, the hole right here, that's supposed to line up with that, which means this is supposed to be inside of this. So yeah, let's take this rubber boot off, put this in here, and then this in. It's making sense now. It's making sense. See, we're doing it together. Okay, I pulled the rubber part out. I'm gonna put it around here first. As you can see right here, it's already split on the bottom. It comes that way. We're gonna put it around this tube here. Once we have it around there, pretty sure this comes over here like this. Now I just gotta get this to come down. We're getting there. All right, there we go. just want to make sure the rubber is at the bottom here, that we can start doing all this other stuff. It's all making sense now. It's all making sense. There we go. Everything fits in play. It's a good thing I probably put this in here. I suppose it didn't really matter too much, but now we got this plastic part from the actual intake itself here inside of this rubber boot thing, you want to call it, however you want to call this. I'm going to line this up better around here. And this goes into here. You can see the little cutouts here, if you can see that. Try to make that go in here. There we go. Perfect. Okay, cool. That's good. Got cutouts in here. Good. Then we got the bolts that came with that bolt this thing here, which I'm going to show you guys right now. Now these holes on each side will line up good. Bolt those down so that stays. Then we can start tightening up the rest of this, including the filter. Alright guys, all I did, quick little update. I lined this all up in here really good. Tighten this one down. Tighten this one down right here. And then also tighten this one down to the throttle. So this is good for the throttle body area. Tighten down everything pretty good. Next, like I said, all I gotta do is plug in these lines. I mean, I could just do this right here. Plug this one up into here. And then, the massive airflow, I believe, plug it right up into here. Which should go right up in there. Boom. Look at that nice fit right there. But I want to make sure I get these bolts before I start doing the rest of this stuff. It shouldn't matter what order, really. I just want to knock these out. Make sure this is stiff, good to go, like me. And then, yeah, do the rest of the stuff. Like I said, we're going to get to it. All right. It's hard to do, but I just wanted to show you guys how I clip that in there like this. And then you can put this bolt to the top and go down. Basically tighten that one up. Same for the other side. Alright guys, what I have on here is a 10 mil. There we go. Same for the other side. Both sides are done, complete. Now I'm going to start putting all this other stuff together. Airflow. The rest of these little pipe and thingamabobbers. I probably could just do that right now. It's on there good. Yep, that's good. All right. Sorry, with the camera here. All right, just want to make sure it's in there good. I know this kind of stops it, but I just want to make sure that the other side is in. Then we got this one, which I'm probably going to have to put you guys down to drill these in. So, what did I use? This little star thing on here? It even shows up, yeah. Fun. Alright, knock those two things in then, and we're basically done. Alright guys, there we go. Everything is finished. Like I said, got these, like, it's like a little star thing on there, but I got top and bottom hooked in. This is in here good. So that's good. Double checking everything. Looks good. That should be on here pretty good too. These are all tightened down, including the one in here, so this is good. Everything seems to be pretty sturdy. A little bit of give, and that's fine. Otherwise, yeah, pretty cool. There's the Roush intake for you on the F150 2013 Coyote. Basically the 5.0 for those who just don't know. I'm trip. Oh, well, totaled. Anyway. Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the video, I'd appreciate it if you did like it. Comment below if you guys want. I was going to go SMB or SB. I think it's called SMB or SB. Instead, we went Roush. So, pretty cool. They gave me some stickers, too. Now my truck is a certified Roush. Don't mind the GT500. A little dirty. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh, we're going to be Roush now. We're Roushing. All right. We started the truck up. Just one last little clip video to end it off. I gotta tighten that little area up right here. No big deal, but let's listen. I'm gonna rub it up here. Hey, not bad. It works. Sweet. All right. Good to go.